Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at the Bioprogramming offices in New York City on 42nd Street, and I'm here with Lauren, who does demos on the coolest devices, and we have to make sure we use the proper terminology here. These are the bioprogramming devices they offer conditioning treatments. So there's a lot of confusion here. And we have with us today, we have Angela, who is on the Modern team. It is 1 degree outside, and she walked out with very wet hair, and it froze. And so we're going to show how to make it look fabulous. So talk us through this.
Yeah. So we're going to use the Repronizer, which is our version of what you might think is a hair dryer. But the reason that we say beauty devices and not blow dryer, not iron, not styling tool is because those words have a negative connotation and mean that you're going to experience damage and dryness. But our beauty devices actually restore hair health and increase moisture and shine. So we're going to help Angela out today and heal her hair. Yeah. So I'm just going to do it. I'm going to do it on the high setting, and you're going to see that it's not very loud, but that doesn't mean it's not powerful. It's just bioprogramming.
It works. It works.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Oh, actually, I'm sorry. What I want to do is I wanted to have you feel her hair first, so we can have a point of comparison. So how does her hair feel right now?
I hate to say it's in front of her, but it does feel kind of strawy, and it feels like it's been abused today.
Yeah, I would agree. Sorry, Angela, but that's okay because we're going to fix it. So here we go. And something really good that you can do with our devices is you can actually use the cool setting. There's a cool button and a cool setting. And you can just do intervals of hot and cold, as long as they're even intervals, and that will help increase her moisture, and it will make her hair feel softer and smoother. You can do it without intervals, and you can just do it just using hot heat. But if you actually interrupt the heat with a little bit of cool, it works better.
So Angela is actually the perfect client because here she has color-treated hair, and she has been out in the environment and it's kind of messed it up today. Are these long-lasting results?
Yes. So actually, her hair will feel better in like an hour from now, even as the bioprogramming.
You know what? You can already see. Just turn this way a little bit. If you just go a little bit, you can see this is smooth here, and that this is kind of. Fuzzy. I hate using these words, Angela. I'm sorry. Wow. It is. Oh my goodness. It is totally different. And what are the concerns that clients have, or that even hairdressers have, when you introduce this product?
Yeah. So bleached hair is really in. So people feel like their hair is dry. And so this device really kind of helps combat that, which is why some stylists are really liking it, especially people who specialize in blondes. But some concerns that stylists have is, you heard it. It doesn't, we were talking over it and you could hear us. So some people feel like it's not really powerful because you can't hear it. But that's not true. So,
and also the fact that you are putting heat on it.
Right. And that it kind of defies conventional wisdom, right? Because I still use heat, and yet her hair feels better. It doesn't feel like straw. And the same thing with our hair burons, which is our hair buron straight and our hair buron curl, which straighten and curl your hair. People think that, it's an iron. It can't possibly heal hair because it's heat.
So I hope you're going to do a demo here.
I am going to do that. I just want to repronize the rest of her hair. Just to kind of smooth it all out, and then we'll go over it with the curl.
Okay, so if Angela, you turn to the right so we can monitor. And I'm going to put the mic right up to this so you can see it's not really that crazy loud. So the biggest questions that you get from salon professionals is that they don't understand what the device does. They think of it more as a styling tool rather than a conditioning device. Is that accurate?
Yes, and we say it's bioprogramming technology, and people want to know why and how, and well, and we use the word. If you look on our website, you're going to see the word quantum physics. And personally, I'm not a scientist. I did take a physics class. That was back in high school, but there's quantum physics in everything. There's quantum physics in your phone, in your computer, in your car. And we don't question those things. So there's quantum physics in here too, and it works.
So let's do this side that's already smooth. We don't have to do the whole head.
Yeah.
We're going to send Angela back out onto Fifth Avenue with kind of messed up hair. You're welcome, Angela. So now what is this next device that you're using?
So this is the Hair Bureau Curl, and as you can see, I have it all the way up to 360 degrees. This is the 1.4-inch barrel, and we also have a 1-inch barrel. And all I'm going to do is curl her hair. I'm going to take a piece, not a huge piece. And so this is going to be really cool because the thing about these devices is that you can leave them on your hair for minutes, which is crazy. So
we're going to do a countdown here. Tell us when to start.
Yeah, she can start. Now, of course, you do not have to leave them on your hair this long in order to achieve a beautiful curl. I could take it out right now, and it would be a beautiful curl. But the purpose of this is to show you that even after an extended period of time of applying heat, the hair is not going to burn. We're not going to smell a burning smell. I don't know if you can see that steam, but that's actually steam rising from the hair, which is telling you that it's the bioprogramming pulling moisture from within her body out onto her scalp. So it's also a conditioning treatment for her scalp, and it's pulling the moisture into her hair. So that's.
And you asked if she had product in her hair. Why?
She does. So we don't need to use product with our beauty devices, which is, again, something that's kind of revolutionary because a lot of people will apply oils and serums to smooth out your hair before you would apply heat or a heat protectant. You actually don't need that because the heat is not damaging the hair.
Okay, so before you pull it out, we're up to over a minute. I know a lot of people here are freaking out, but you're saying you could do this up to 5 minutes and it is not damaging the hair, it's actually conditioning the hair.
Yeah, you can even go 10 minutes. We've done it. but yeah, people will start to freak out. So we try not to, and like I said, you don't have to hold it that long to achieve a beautiful curl. So, this is just for demonstration purposes and for like a wow factor. But what are we up to? All right, so let's just go to 2 minutes.
So maybe, look over there. We're up to a minute 45.
Yeah.
Everybody's panicking in the offices here at the bioprogramming offices in New York City.
Do you smell any burning?
I do not.
Yeah.
Do you?
No.
Do you, Angela? No. Angela's hair is not bursting into flame. That's one of the bonuses of this.
Yep. Okay. So we're going to take it out. And it's bouncy. It actually feels still soft and smooth.
Oh, and it's shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Feel that comparison to back here.
No joke, you guys. This is
head.
amazing. This is amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's the beauty of bioprogramming. You can use this device and hold it on your hair. And again, I'll just do a quick one so you can see you don't have to hold it that long to achieve.
And do you have to do the Repronizer first, or does it matter?
You don't. You can do you don't have to do it first. It would just help because the more bioprogramming, the better. And the more you use these devices over time, you'll see improved hair health and quality.
And you can recurl the hair, right, in a different direction?
Actually, what we can do right now, so you'll see I've held this on for a few seconds. So I'm curling it, let's say, to the left. So it's like that. And I'm going to take that same piece, and I'm going to curl it to the right. and you'll see, normally what would happen is the hair would kind of straighten out after you curl it one way and then curl it the other way. Like if you're rolling a piece of paper and then you roll it back, it kind of flattens. So you'll see here that
So, from what I understand, the longer you use, the healthier your hair becomes. This is part of the marketing of this, that the more frequently you use these devices, the healthier your hair will end up.
yes, exactly. So it's part of our formula, our secret sauce, if you will. So yes, the more you use it, the better the hair will become, the more beautiful it will become, the healthier, the shinier.
How many items, devices do you now have in the bioprogramming world?
In the world?
Well, right now you have the
so
Repronizer.
Yeah, so we have 4. We have 3 products, but there's 4 SKUs because the Hair Bureau and Curl comes in 2 sizes. But yeah, so it's the Repronizer, which dries the hair, the Hair Bureau and Straight, which straightens the hair, and 2 different size, the 1-inch and the 1.4-inch Hair Bureau and Curl, which curl the hair.
Perfect. All right. Anything else you want to add? Because I know we were actually having a meeting, and then we said, well, look at Angela. She will be our Exhibit A. So anything else that the world should know before we go back to our meeting?
I mean, I think we covered it, but the message that we want to convey is this is the future of hair care. You know, we just have to think about it like every other styling tool that's out there in the world right now is a flip phone, and this is an iPhone. So welcome.
Oh, that's so smart. I love that. Okay.
Welcome to the future.
So for more information, you go to
Bioprogramming.com. Just spell it exactly like it sounds. Bio and then the word programming, all one word. Or you can check us out on Instagram, which is Bioprogramming US.
And I got to tell you guys, if you get a chance to meet with them, say, I want to come up to your offices. They even have warm toilet seats. I mean, this is so futuristic. Everything about this whole, I wish if we ever got an opportunity to lift this up, you will not believe the view here. I really feel like we're in an iPhone office.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I love coming to work here every day, and I get to play with hair, which is awesome.
All right, maybe we'll just cut this after we say www.bioprogramming.com. Thank you so much, Lauren. This was great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.